closer.
I gotta zoom in.
Here we are again. This is a 4-cylinder
DA200.
DA200.
A DA.
Tell them what it is.
I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a KAM AERO.
We'll be a little bit of video on him flying, and we'll call it a day.
Can't see it.
Stay up on it. Everybody else is going to be going to the game.
Because that's the way it's supposed to go.
Yeah. All right, here, ladies and gentlemen, we're down here. It's like a golf course. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're down here on the field. And he's getting ready to take off. The cameraman is Mason Jackson Powell. Mason Jackson. He is waiting. They're down there talking to themselves. And he's getting ready to take off. Here we go. Listen to that. Listen to that. Got it. Got it. Stay with him. Stay with him.
Can't see it.
But you gotta click it. Till you get him coming back. You gotta click it. Stay with him. I want a good video.
Push outside 5/8. 2 half rolls on exit.
I can't.